Hello Ma'am Ida, andito na naman akong muli. Baka mapagbigyan mo ulit akong muli ng isang maliit na interview.
Yes, of
So,
course.
pwede mo po bang ipakilala ang iyong pangalan at paano ka naging isang historian laureate?
Okay, so I am Ida Beltran Lucila. So ako recently announced as the Edmonton Historian Laureate for 2026 to 2028. So ang ano diyan, ang karangalan na yan, hindi yan para sa akin. It's actually for the Filipino community. Kasi ang trabaho ko dito sa pagka-historian laureate is to document the stories, the history, the contribution of the Filipino community here in Edmonton. So, before kami nag-migrate dito sa Canada, I was a dance artist with Ballet Philippines and I work with the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. So, of course, nakita ko firsthand kung gaano kagaling ang Pilipino, especially in arts and culture. So, nung pagpunta ko dito sa Edmonton, that has been part of my advocacy kasi alam mo talaga yung galing ng Pilipino, pero nawawala kasi yun dahil pag nag-migrate tayo dito, we're so busy with settling in the Canadian life, the economics of it. And so we forget the artistic and cultural aspects. And so personally na-experience ko yun na parang nawala yung identity ko. And I was able to build it again by going into projects on arts and culture through the Philippine Arts Council. And so eventually, through my projects there, I've gathered so many stories and information on the community through the documentary Paglalayag, which is a documentary on the migration stories of Filipinos in Edmonton. And nakakabilib naman talaga yung mga nagagawa natin at dinadala natin dito sa Canada. And so that's when I decided, because I have all this information, that I placed it on the cultural map. At yun naman yung napili ng City of Edmonton to highlight as the Historian Laureate term for 2 years. So yun.
Ano po yung mga projects na isinusulong ninyo sa ngayon as a historian laureate?
Yeah, so there's the Echoes of Identity, tracking Filipino cultural landscapes in Edmonton, and that is the cultural map. And so ang tinatrack ko dyan are migration stories, cultural practices, Philippine artifacts, Philippine attire and fashion, community initiatives and community news, and of course landmarks. Kasi importante yan, ang dami-daming entrepreneurs na Filipinos, and we want to showcase lahat ng trade and commerce that we brought into the city of Edmonton. So part of it is really I'm an ambassador for Edmonton Heritage Council and the city archives. So kasi if you look at our museums, our archives, there's hardly any history or record of the Filipinos here in Edmonton. But we've been here since 1960s. We came here as nurses, teachers, engineers. We actually helped build the city kasi inalagaan natin yung mga tao as a nurse, tinuruan ng mga Filipino teachers yung mga malalaking tao ngayon. We were in the educational system, so I want to show the Filipinos na lahat naman talaga have been great achievers in the different industries here, whether it be with law, in business, as a nurse, in education, in all the industries, meron mga Pilipino at super very high achievers.
Okay. Kung may isa pong mensahe kayo na sasabihin sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino dito sa Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, ano po yun?
Yeah, so lahat tayo may dreams, right? And we all left our home country because we wanted for whatever reason, we wanted a better life. And so when we move, we always blossom and we create a different community. And ang gusto ko malaman is all our stories, we might think na hindi importante yung story mo, but those are actual vital historical records about what we bring in. And so my message is to go visit the cultural map Kasi there are so many stories that can inspire you. It can inform you. There are other things that, like even me, as I curate the cultural map, nagugulat ako about what Filipinos have done in the city. So inspire and then contribute, because this is our story. We always like that our history is written by us and not by someone else of a different culture, because we create our own history, because these are our stories. So,
Okay, maraming salamat po sa
Thank
inyo,
you.
Ma'am
Thank
Ida.
you
And
so
then,
much.
God bless you and more power to you.
Thank you. Thank you